The last few years have been a boon for RV travel. According to a 2021 survey by Rvezy, more than 72% of Canadians surveyed opted for RV travel rather than fly. Its popularity has also been great for the Canadian RV manufacturing industry. This is part 2 in our series featuring the makes and models that Canadian manufacturers cannot build fast enough. Welcome to Snowbirds and RV Travelers, the weekly show for RV enthusiasts, where we talk about parks, activities, travel tips, trends, reviews, and the latest news affecting your RV experience. For more content and guest opportunities, head over to rvpodcast.com. That's rvpodcast.com. Today's show was written by Jan Lee. A prolonged microchip shortage and other supply chain issues related to COVID-19 shutdowns made it difficult for many manufacturers, distributors, and dealers to meet demand last year. However, improved microchip supply and growing interest in RVing is now helping to turn that around. Fibreglass continues to be a favorite medium in the Canadian industry. Highly weather resistant to Canada's colder climates, it's the go-to choice among some manufacturers since it conforms to a variety of models and layouts, from truck campers to Class A motorhomes to travel trailers and fifth wheels. As we reported in a recent podcast, Canadian Made RVs Part I, Fibreglass can be a lightweight, seamless construction translating into potentially lower costs at the fuel pump and higher resale values down the road. We continue to look at Canadian-made RVs that have a dedicated following in Canada and the US, with models that deliver the utmost in convenience with all the comforts and ambiance of home. First on the list is Roadtrek. Roadtrek's most popular Class Bs are built on a Ram ProMaster chassis with an array of amenities for travelers who enjoy everything close at hand in a well-designed unit. The Zion Slumber is Roadtrek's most popular model, which features an extended roof to offer an additional sleeping area for two and a king-size bed, or two single-size beds that convert to a lounge. The Slumber also includes a marine toilet and shower. It can be outfitted with solar panels. Jacob McLeod, marketing coordinator for Roadtrek, says the underhood generator utilizes the vehicle's environmentally fuel-efficient, whisper-quiet engine rather than a traditional, noisy, smelly underslung generator that typically doesn't focus on environmental considerations. He further remarked that all Roadtrek models have a factory 2-year warranty and complimentary roadside service assistance. The company, which was launched in 1974, is based in Cambridge, Ontario, and its 8 models are sold through its dealer base. Find one close to you at roadtrek.com. Also built within Ontario's borders, based in Hensel, Ontario, General Coach opened in the 1950s with a single travel trailer. For 2022, it rolled out the Citation Reward trailer, which is available in 3 floor plans that include 25, 28, and 31-foot models. The Reward is designed with a unique V-shaped roof for efficient aerodynamics with 2 doors at the front and rear. It has interior and exterior storage and a variety of optional features that include solar panels and a backup camera. The company also manufactures specialized trailers for theater, office, and event use. The Citation Reward can be ordered through Can-Am RV Centre in London, Ontario. According to General Coach's CEO, Roger Faulkner, more distributors are on tap. We're in the midst of setting up a dealer network across Canada. Have a look at generalcoachtrailers.com. Moving west, we find Pleasureway, located in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, which was opened in 1986 when Merv Rumpel rolled out its first Class B motorhome. Today, the company is run by Rumpel's sons and offers RVers 6 models, which are all built on either a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter diesel or the Ford Transit gas chassis. The Recon 4x4 4-season Class B is one of Pleasureway's most popular models. It's a unique build for Pleasureway and represents their first offering into the very popular and growing adventure or overlanding van segment. Pleasureway representative Grant Walters says, "Our build-out and design focused entirely on the unique demands of the adventure traveler, with amenities that support off-grid camping." The company's real-time video platform, Go Live, allows customers to speak directly with factory representatives virtually from their homes. Customers can also access manuals and other information online. Pleasureway's motorhomes are available in dealerships across the country and can be reached at pleasureway.com. No discussion of 4x4 RVs is complete without talking about Northern Lights truck campers, which are a common sight in Western Canada. The Kelowna-based company manufactures campers for both long and short bed trucks with many amenities. Northern Lights marketing manager Brad Trite says our most popular unit is the 2022 10-2 limited edition with a dry bath, since the dry bath units have a separate, roomier shower section compared to wet bath models. Northern Light campers are designed for Canadian winters and built with a two-piece fiberglass construction. The company appears to have worked hard to address many of the issues that are sometimes attached to truck campers. Northern Lights truck campers are wider than average, negating the need for slide-outs, which saves weight. And the models have a smooth molded design to increase aerodynamic flow. Both design features will help you save money at the pump. Plush interiors include hardwood cabinetry, and you can opt for solar panels to ensure plenty of power for off-the-grid adventures. You can walk through these RVs at more than 40 dealerships across Canada and the US, or head over to northernlight.com, that's northern-lite.com, to see them on the website. Watch the video on the Northern Light limited editions on YouTube at Snowbirds and RV Travelers magazine. Built on the West Coast, Escape Trailers models have been on the market for approximately 20 years. The company is relatively new compared to many of its competitors. What makes the Escape endearing to its consumer base is the company's customer service, which includes one-on-one interaction between the manufacturer and the RVer. Rather than purchase a model through a dealer, buyers can personalize a trailer to include the color of the countertops, the type of flooring, and color decor. According to Daryl Rose, marketing manager for Escape Trailer, the newest addition to the Escape series is the Escape 23, which includes two floor plans, the E23C and E23T. While both feature a dry bath and a large dinette in the rear, the E23C has a walk-around two-person bed, and the E23T features twin beds. Both sleeping arrangements are located in the front. The E23 is also the company's first model with an entry door towards the rear of the chassis. Escape trailers are a one-piece fiberglass design. No seams, no drafts, no dust. Even the wheel wells are part of the fiberglass mold, limiting access to those little critters that want to move in with you. Have a look at escapetrailer.com to see the models, options, and to learn more about fiberglass construction in RVs. Or if you'd rather watch a video, search for Escape Fiberglass Trailers and Fifth Wheel on YouTube on our channel Snowbirds and RV Travelers magazine. Canadian manufacturers continue to build and design some of the best RVs on the planet, especially when it comes to winter camping, long and short-term stays. Have a look at their different models for 2022 and look forward to seeing even more innovation in design features for 2023. Thanks for listening to today's show. If you enjoyed it, share it with your friends, and if you'd like to hear more, please follow or subscribe. Your opinions are important, so please take a moment to share your ideas, comments on this show, or topics you'd like us to cover. For fun contests and picture submissions, check out our Instagram channel at Snowbirds RV Travelers. Snowbirds and RV Travelers is a Sun Cruiser Media production.